One angle of a quadrilateral has measure 2 pi by 9 radians, and the measures of the other three angles are in the ratio 3 is to 5 is to 8. Let the other angles be 3k, 5k, 8k. We know that sum of angles is equal to 2 pi in a quadrilateral. Therefore, 3k plus 5k plus 8k is equal to 2 plus 2 pi by 9 is equal to 2 pi. Let me take up the sum of the angles. So it is once again 3k plus 5k plus 8k is plus 2 pi by 9 is equal to 2 pi. 16k is equal to 2 pi minus 2 pi by 9. When you take LCM here, you get 18 pi minus 2 pi by 9. 16 pi by 9. 16k is equal to 16 pi by 9 implies k is equal to pi by 9. Therefore, the angles are 3 into pi by 9, pi by 3, 5 into pi by 9, 5 pi by 9, 8 into pi by 9, 8 pi by 9. Since they asked in radians, this will be the answer.